each morning and see your sweet face. In your eyes I find my most beautiful place. You are my everything, the breath that I take. Our love is the promise I'll never break. I love you, my heart, my soul's other half. You're the rhythm of life, my joy and my path. With you, every moment just feels so right. My world is a smile, my way is through love, the gift for a lifetime from heaven above. I feel so much joy, I'm filled with such pride, with loyalty pure, I'll stay by your side. I love my family, my safe, steady shore. With you, life is beautiful forevermore. The sound of your laughter, the sweetest of songs, it's here in this house where my spirit belongs. I love my children, my world in their eyes, the brightest of colors under our skies. Together we stand like a wall made of stone. In this crazy world, we are never alone. Thank you for every day we can share, living this dream and the love in the air. Without you, I'm nothing. With you, I am king. This is the song that my heart wants to sing. My world is a smile, my way is through love, a gift for a lifetime from heaven above. I feel so much joy, I'm filled with such pride, with loyalty pure, I'll stay by your side. I love my family, my safe, steady shore. With you, life is beautiful forever. Smile and love, joy and pride, my family.